Hey, it's Marc Schaeffer from Brown Harris Stevens, and I'm here in Astoria at our newest exclusive. It's a huge one-bedroom with a home office and a fantastic balcony overlooking Astoria Park, the Hellgate Bridge, in the Ditmar section of Astoria. The gracious open floor plan is approximately 1,050 square feet. Look at this kitchen. Cherry wood cabinets, granite, tile backsplash, and stainless steel appliances. The bedroom is really spacious, easily fits a king-size bed and extra furniture. The walk-in closet's great, and it features the Alpha system from the Container Store. The north exposure also has great views of the Hellgate Bridge. Can you imagine a better balcony than this to have a cup of coffee? I don't think so. Come on over and take a look at these views. Building amenities include 24-hour doorman, laundry on every floor, recently renovated fitness center, bike room, 2 on-site parking garages, and a live-in super. Thanks so much for joining me today at 1919 24th Avenue in Astoria. Right on Astoria Park. There is a track, New York City's largest swimming pool, and movies all summer long. So come on over to 1919 24th Avenue and I'll see you soon.